welcome folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Remember that there is part of life for which you are the explanation. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 97, NASDAQ up 79, S&P's up 18, gold contract up $21, traded at $1,243 an ounce. Silver up 16 cents at $15.35 an ounce. Platinum up 23 bucks at $9.68 an ounce. Copper down 3 pennies at $2.20 a pound. Light sweet crude down 85 cents at $38.54 a barrel. Notes up 21 ticks, 130.02. Bonds up 1 full point and 5 ticks, 164.22. King dollar down 800 ticks, trading at 95.10. The euro is up 98 at 112, and the yen is trading at 112.71. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Janet Yellen come out. Bottom line, rates aren't going to go up for a bit. Lit the match under the fire. SPY up $1.81. You've done 89 million shares out here. The SPY is going to go after its B point tomorrow. The B point, folks, being 205.23. I suspect we're going to take it out with volume. Why? Because the Qs took it out today with volume. The IWM took it out with volume. That'll send the SPY up to the 211 area. 211 is the swing point, the high swing from December 2nd. We go over to the NDX 100, which is leading the charge out here today, big time. The Qs up $1.67. Took out a B point of an ABC structure on the way up. Did 29 million shares. Right now we're at 108.78. This is like a 5-point A to B, C to D. That price projection is 111.59. And right now we're at 108. Your swing points up there at 115. More than likely we'll probably get an extension of the A to B equals C to D and get up into that 115. Because you got to remember something. Tomorrow we start window dressing. Window dressing is not today. Bottom line, you'll see it in spades. IWM, small caps, got a bid underneath it also. Took out a B point, took it out with volume. IWM up $2.98. 38 million it needed. It did 45 million. Just ripped that baby apart. We're at 110.31. 114 is the price projection. That price projection will get you to the December 30th swing high. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold caught a bid also when good old Yellen said, hey, guess what? You know, we are not going to be raising rates anytime soon. That wasn't the quote, but the bottom line, that's what the economy, that's what the market took out of it. So, gold contract, up 21 bucks, did 188,000 contracts. And what you're going to see here is this, is that when we broke topside on February 11th, we did 333,000 contracts. We came all the way back into that, and yesterday you did 88,000 contracts versus 330. Guess what? Breaks topside once again, wide price spread, accelerated volume. We are at 1243. This baby wants to run to the 1392 to 1423 area. Big numbers, folks. Big numbers. Bonds. Let's go to the notes first. The notes held price out here. Had light volume, but the bottom line is that the notes held price. Right now, the notes, the 10-year note closed up 22 ticks. Did 1 million contracts. Now, the million's coming into 1.6 million on the way down, but these bonds right now are at 130.03, and what's game out here is, I guess you could, yeah, 130.27's game. That's where the downdraft occurred when this got confirmed ABC structure was on the way down. That was on March 1st. We had went from 130.27 down to 129.18. King dollar. Now, this is the one you want to wrap your head around all of them. But King dollar, folks, came down, wide price spread, accelerated volume. What we have is this. King dollar down 795 ticks out here today. We did 29,000 contracts. Now, that's after the last few days. Put how you went up. You went up with anemic volume. We had come down on March 10th. March 10th, you come down on 71,000 contracts. We went to a lower low on March 17th with 30,000 contracts. And then we went from a price point of 94.67 and we rallied up to 96.38. Not that that's a lot, but watch how it contracted. The volume, there was no buyers. First day up, had 12,000 contracts. Second day up, had 20,000. Third day up, had 14,000. Yesterday, we had 13,000. It blows out today, 29,000. We're going after the swing low, and I expect you're going to have another ABC structure on the way down. Let's go to the oil market. We take a look at oil. So oil held price, didn't go higher, but guess what? The equities, the oil equities went higher, which is saying oil also is going to catch a bid right now. The oil contract, we're at 38.53. We did 450,000 contracts today. That's going against 444,000 contracts. And in fact, I got to go get CLJ6 because I got to go to the last contract value, CLJ, because oil goes from month to month. And if we take a look at this one, what we're going to see, there she is. So you're going against almost 700,000 contracts. The 488 was going against 700,000 contracts. Bottom line is that you pull back with lighter volume. Oil hasn't rejected price just yet, but when you do look at some of the oil and gas stocks, bottom line, they rejected lower price today. They went higher. I expect you're going to see them continue to go higher. We go over to the silver market. We take a look at silver. Silver rejected lower price today, had lighter volume, and finally caught a bid. And silver now is in the larger trading range. Silver got down to a price point of $15 today. We did 44,000 contracts. That was coming into 85,000, so it rejected lower price, got back inside the higher range. Silver is going to try to, once again, make it up to the $16.17 area. And it does look to me that, looking at that silver market, once silver actually does catch a bid, we're going to see that baby probably very quickly at the $18 level, and it just may be the run starting right now through window dressing. So what we have out here coming into tomorrow, you get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, next Monday. That's all window dressing, folks. And you can expect after Yellen lighten this little match underneath this market today, you can expect some buying because the wind is everyone is back. Then we get to the highs, and guess what? You want to be getting your stops in. I'm going to be selling the top of this consolidation, as long as this volume stays light as we get up there. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.